have to exhale slowly until you've emptied your lungs.
Hold your breath for 15 seconds and then do it.
No. Yeah, you have to hold your breath.
Oh my god, cramp. Oh, my belly.
In your legs?
My abs. Jesus Christ.
So today, obviously unit health fair for ATC Pirbright. As you can see, we've got a variety of stands here behind me. You can see all of our sports stands that I get represented here at ATC Pirbright. We've got the ball stands, we've got cricket, water polo, swimming, we've got football, all the racket sports, everything that you could imagine, all good stuff. And then over to my right hand side, we've got some outsourced agencies. So we've got things like SAFA come down, British Legion, and also we're doing other things sort of like Army Sports Lottery and health questionnaires.
So I'm here with the swimming and water polo stand. As you can see here by our trophy.
So basically you lied to me there, you're a good swimmer.
I'm an okay swimmer.
Yeah, okay swimmer.
I'm a better water polo player.
Okay. So what's the difference then, technique-wise, with swimming and water polo?
So swimmers, they can do like predominantly long distances, whereas myself, water polo players, generally do short, sharp distances. So we get used in 50-metre relays for swimmers because we're short and sharp over short distances.
Okay.
Anything more than 50 metres and I'm screwed.
Okay, so what's the dress like? Because I've seen some nice underwears here.
Yeah.
What's that about?
So your bunch of smugglers is what we use.
Yeah.
You get given all the kit, t-shirts, hoodies and all that stuff, but when we're in the pool, we wear our bunch of smugglers along with our hat.
Okay, is that a hat? Okay.
Yeah, it's a cap, so put it on. There we go, we've got our ear protection.
Okay.
And it also denotes what team you're on, so white or blue.
You see on top of it? You got
have a number on there.
You got a number on there. And this basically just protect your ears in.
Protect my ears, yeah.
Okay. So you wear that, you have to wear that, it's part of the sport, you have to.
You have to wear that because, like I say, you'll be out, if you think two teams in the water, you'll be able to tell who's who with the water everywhere. So we've got that with different colours and also the numbers. So you know who's getting chucked out. If you foul someone, you might get kicked out of the pool. So the referee will stick a hand up with your number and then off you go.
What happens if you are not a strong swimmer? Would you advise this sport for someone who's not a strong swimmer?
Water polo allows anyone from any experience to join in. So you'll start off at unit level, so that's predominantly people that aren't very strong swimmers, never done the sport before, and then you move on to the core. Again, that's still sort of intermediate level.
Royal Signal.
Royal Signal Piranhas, yeah, that's me.
Oh, is that you? And I just touched it a while ago.
And you did.
Is it clean?
You're lucky. From core, then if you're good enough, you move on to the army, and then if you're even better than that, you move on to combined service.
Okay, so you both then? Well, you do army as well?
Yeah, I'm combined service.
Oh, strong mate. Well done. Nice one, mate.
So this is an army boxing stand. Basically, just letting everybody know about the weight categories for male, female, and the pathway to get from Class A up to the elite level for the boxing.
So what level you box at then?
So I'm an elite boxer myself, so I've had 100,
elite?
Yeah, 115 fights. I boxed full time on the army boxing team before I got posted in HQ Regiment.
How is it? I'm at 98 pounds now. What about 67, something like that? Doing alright. I got broken nose the other week. I've just had an operation, yeah. Still a bit bad, but we'll sort it out. It's all good, it's all good. Privilege to be part of the team.
Alright, good boys, well done.
I'm over 70 now, so I've been boxing since I was 11. I started when I was 9, first fight 11, over 73, 74 pounds now. Boxed for the army team for over 3 years. Combined service champion, ABA quarter finalist this year.
What cap badge are you do?
Coaching guards.
Coaching guards. And yourself? What cap badge?
Cap badge and Royal March.
Royal Irish. And RLC. Yeah, so what's it like though when you to have time off for training and do boxing? Well, what's it sequence like?
We're lucky enough. We're released days from our regiment full time to represent the army boxing.
Full time.
Full time.
Wow.
We've got that
I'm still getting paid.
We've got that privilege, still getting paid.
Still getting paid.
Mate, it's a hard graft. People think, oh, it's easy life and that, but you take away your social life, you're constantly in the gym, constantly looking at your weight, constantly watching what you're eating, drinking, do you know what I mean? So we haven't got the social life of a normal 24-year-old, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But hey, it's all worth it. We're
It's
here.
good. You enjoy it though, yeah? Good man. Well done, man. It's good to have you, mate. Yeah. Nice one, mate. Yeah. So how long have you been climbing for then?
Probably around 2 years-ish.
Yeah.
I started in Germany, started bouldering in Germany, and when I came here, Mr. Kelp, Lieutenant Kelp, whose rifles is an army climber and a tri-service boulder, I believe, and then he just asked who climbs. We went to Benidorm, we organised a trip to Benidorm on an X-Bed.
Benidorm.
Took us out.
Free of charge.
Cost me 30 quid.
30 quid. Oh, not bad.
So we paid
In for what, 1 week?
a week.
A week.
So he initially asked for £100. We went out there, that's food, accommodation, flights, gear and tuition. The tuition came from army climbers. Went up into the hills, did RCF, Rock Climbing Foundation, came back, and then he once he worked out the finances, they sent us 70 quid back into the bank.
Did you use your leave for that, or you get time off to do it?
We got time off.
You get time off?
Well, it was at
that's
the end of
sweet.
our last CMS, so we had a gap between then and Christmas leave, and it was the week before Christmas leave, so that's when we went then.
Yeah,
Because it's classed as adventure training, it doesn't come for leave cards.
Okay.
So we were alright.
That's good. Oh, nice one, mate.
With 30 quid.
Envy you. 30 quid.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, yeah? Cheers.
I mean, easy that.
Very easy. Look at it. Until now. Okay, so what that represent?
It's demonstrating with the beer goggles on what happens if you drink drive, and it shows how difficult it is. It's a lot more difficult than people realise. So you shouldn't do it. It's bad.
It's quite ninja, isn't it?
I think I should have a go on that, mate.
You need to have a go on it. It's so fun.
See, you've got a picture, little Porsche. We've got a Bentley.
Everywhere we go. You go on YouTube, mate. Everyone's on YouTube now. Who goes to Pirbright, stuff like that. Yeah. Fabziy's early.
Come on, let's see if the main man's got it in the bag.
Most of the videos are just me picking up and being filmed.
Oh, look at that. He's a pro. He's a pro.
Every time Fabziy, you've done that before. Every time Fabziy opens his doors about that, I tell you what, mate.
So why are you so good at that? Please tell me.
I know, mate. I'm just pumped, mate.
Army Sports Lottery stand. Trying to get people, engaging people, trying to get them to sign up to Sports Lottery. And we've also got a health questionnaire, get people to fill it out. End of the day, winner gets drawn and they win themselves a Nutritional.
Yeah, so what's the sport lottery about?
So the Army Sport Lottery, what they do is all the money that's collated from them, so you sign up, money that goes out towards the lottery itself, so you get a ticket, max 5 tickets, minimum 1 ticket, it's £1 a ticket.
Pound a ticket?
Yeah, £1 a ticket.
Okay.
And that's drawn weekly. First prize is 10 grand, and then it goes down 5 grand, 2 grand, slots of 100s and stuff like that. And that's weekly. July, December, they do a super draw, so the winner gets 20 grand as opposed to 10 grand. Also, they give a
20 grand?
Yeah, 20 grand for first place.
And a question I want to ask, have you ever won anything?
No.
2-5 and
We
stuff
like to educate them obviously on sugars.
Okay.
It's important for us that they keep their sugar levels down when they're eating. We aim them to do sugar hits on their mouth 3, maybe 4 times a day at meals.
Okay.
And it's like everything else. A lot of things have hidden sugars. Like this bottle here has 8.25 spoonfuls of sugar in it.
8.25.
Yeah.
Wow.
And someone.
Nothing is a teaspoon.
Yeah. Per teaspoon.
So 8.25 teaspoon is inside this
Yeah.
bottle.
Yeah. Which is
Oh, that's
about,
amazing.
That's That's 875, so that's about how much sugar is in there.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Inside, so you got this amount of sugar inside here.
Yeah. And people don't realise that's what they're taking in.
And straight away you look at this, you look, well, innocent, pure and all that, yeah. You know,
and
mix
you get looking, you're thinking, oh, I've got my 5
strawberry,
a day
5 a day and
berry,
everything.
I've got one of my 5 a day there. The best one to have, water.
Water.
Can't beat that. Hydrate with water. It's good for you. What was I going to say? Another thing with the packagings like this one, it's got 4.6.
Okay.
They tend to look at it, apple and raspberry. It's got Anthony Joshua on
Who's
it.
this famous guy here?
Boxer.
Yeah,
I
boxer.
believe.
Oh, look at you. You're blushing as well.
Yeah, he's a boxer, but there you go. But that's what it does. It sort of pulls them in to see what is fashionable and
Yeah.
isn't.
And this one got what, 4.6 on this one?
4.6, yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
But yeah, Tropicana, 7.5.
Wow, that's crazy.
Orange and mango.
7.5, so it's like, what are we looking at?
Crumbs.
So that's 6.9, so it's
Yeah.
close to this.
Closer to that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's crazy, that's amazing.
Yeah, and sugar like that.
Wow, and all of that. That's crazy, and
Also, we like these healthy. You're going to snack in between. They have what we call sugar-free safe snacks. Walnuts, nuts, celery sticks, carrot sticks, sugar-free gum.
sugar-free gum.
But
ooh.
not in phase 1 training.
No. You don't get hey, get them in the Russian pack though.
Yeah?
Yeah, you do.
Which is good.
Yeah.
Which is good. That's what we like to see.
Yes,
But I think some of the dentists would like to have more influence on the Russian pack.
Yeah,
but
Russian pack, yeah.
It doesn't always go like that.
Okay, nice one.
Unfortunately. Another big thing with us is obviously oral mouth cancer. Smoking is a big thing.
Okay.
For us, obviously, it causes gum disease. Not only that, you've got oral mouth cancer, other cancers of the body you can get, your lungs and that. And then, of course, there's the alcohol intake as well, which again for us is oral mouth cancer and obviously cancers of the body. And when you put the two together, alcohol and smoking, if you're doing both, it can increase your risk of oral mouth cancer again.
Supplement misuse. So a lot of recruits asking me what they can't take, how to get big, what can they take, what's illegal, what's not illegal, what they're going to get caught on CBT. Alright, so what I've done is broken it down into 2 piles. So all this stuff on my left here, it's all on this informed sport list. Alright, so everything on this list, the army says that you can take.
Informed Sport, and what's the website called?
Informed Sport.
Just Informed Sport, yeah?
Yeah, on there, yeah. So go on that, and then everything. So they've got the product name and then what kind of product it is, whether it's whey, creatine, whatever.
Okay, and then this website will tell you if it's legal or illegal.
Yeah, everything on this website you can take.
Everything on there you can take.
You can take.
Okay, so that's good. So that's straightforward then, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so that tell the guys and girls exactly what to do then, yeah?
If you're not sure, just go off. You can't go wrong going off that list.
All right.
On this side then, it's everything that's not on informed sports, but it doesn't mean that it's illegal.
Okay.
Okay, it's at your own risk, so it's not can be illegal. It's just not on the informed sports list. Like you could go up to Holland Barrett store in the UK and buy this off the shelf there.
In Holland Barrett.
In Holland Barrett, yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that it's not. It doesn't mean that it's not illegal. It's not on informed sports. It's at your own risk. So that's what they say is these are at your own risk. So if you're not sure, just go off by the list till you get to your own unit, or you have a bit more knowledge and understanding then when you get wiser and stuff.
Okay, nice one, mate. Okay, hey, next one. Hey, what size bicep are you?
22 and a half.
22 and a half. Nice one, mate.
Join the army, mate. See the world, come here, get your fitness up, get things rolling.
Yeah, what cap are you?
4 PWR.
PWR, okay. I think reservist.
Yes.
Okay, what was the process for you then?
Well, I'm ex-para, so my process was obviously different. And I've only been out of the army for 2.5 years.
Okay.
And I'm applying for a commission now, so most of what I found bra was a revision for myself, whereas for other people it might be a bit different, but I turned up purely for the fitness because I'm going for a commission now. I've got my briefing on the 22nd of June, which means when I get smashed out here and by the PTs like yourselves, I'll be much better turning up for my briefing and main board, and hopefully then smash more weight through the commission course as well.
Yeah, nice, hey. Good luck, mate. Nice chatting to you.
Your channel on YouTube,
yeah?
you found that, yeah.
Alright, that's all right.
Quite intriguing.
Yeah, nice one. Cheers, and good luck for tonight.
So this is British Army Warrior Fitness. So we've got a challenge. So it is one of the day, 30 seconds, max calories, to win a t-shirt by Lift Heavy Fast. So the assault bike, okay, so all we're going to do is simply jump on, 30 seconds, maximum amount of calories, mark it down, best male, best female.
Press this 3-second countdown and then 30 seconds max.
Oh, is it?
Right, yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3 seconds. 2, 1, let's go!
But I realised some of the reserves would get a little bit upset. Court Haystead RMP, at the moment reigning champion of the pull-up challenge, only 16. Would have gone for 20, but the problem is the reservists were here. I didn't want them to get a bit disheartened. Make sure you work really hard on your back, gents, when you come into Pirbright. Don't train legs, they only weigh you down. Make sure you're all over it, okay? Big buys, get the attractive guys.
Is it?
Hey, come to a training regiment, it's alright. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. I didn't come here to help. Just currently being the catering manager as well, Court Haystead. You might remember me from being the pull-up champion. Nutrition, back day, that's what I really work on. What we've got here, the luxury fruit platter. Get it now, you know what I mean? You've got yourself some watermelon, grapes. I don't know what that is, some sort of cheese, I imagine. You know what I mean? It's all good. Problem is the tables that we've had in the army for the past 100 years don't fit 3 platters at once, and I'm pretty sure we've had fruit since the beginning, so what are we doing here? Pretty much run out of words now.
They got more in you.
Yeah, I'll find more. We've got good for the environment, isn't it? That's about half a tree there, but what we've done here, we took the fruit off the tree and then we used the tree to make the packaging. So actually the army's really forward thinking in that regard. We've used a van that is powered only on sweat of crow, so we've not actually hurt the environment at all today. So yeah, really good day for it. We've got a classic meat sandwich platter. The meat here is off the Pirbright farms. We've got horses, we've got sheep, we've got pigs all outside. So we're really forward thinking in that regard as well. That's one down.
Let's go away, get some scran.
Scran in, mate?
Yeah,
you don't eat scran yet, West?
I need to go quickly. I'll be 2 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead. See on me. Look at this. What we've got here, a couple of hot dogs here, you know what I mean? You think they're sausage? No, it's all egg, isn't it? Taken from the Pirbright chickens who live on the coop just outside. We pay farmers, British farmers, to raise these chickens so that all of our scoff is free range and all that nonsense. Another cardboard box, easy, environmentally friendly. Little plastic bit there, come off the tyres of broken Land Rovers, easy job. Manpower here. I get paid minimum wage to be a physical training instructor, but look at me, I'm also laying out sandwiches and stuff. Pirbright is forward thinking in the British Army, and that is why you should consider a posting here.
And join up as well.
And join up, yeah, join up first.
Join up first.
Yeah, join the army, it's great.